It's unheard of. 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Where are we? We're in the beautiful Kinsale and we're about to hand over another new home. It's easy to see the why. It has the charm, it has the location, but Sigma Home's job was to make this home really modern and somewhere you'd love to come home to. From the minute you come in the front door, we've got all these really cool features, and this is our main bathroom downstairs. When it comes to design, it's all about thinking outside the box, and in this big spacious bathroom, that's exactly what we've done. Behind these doors, we've got a laundry room. They're really easy to use. They're full height, and once they fold back, we've got our washing machine, our drying machine, and full side storage. And once you're finished, it's very easy. One little slide, and everything just disappears. Our next big design change happened right here in this location. To the left and to the front of this home, we've got a big spacious movie room. But it's in here the original staircase once was. And we come up with a new location. It's all about true design. It's amazing. Once you get the features right, this staircase is now in the correct location. It frees up the hallway, all the energy of the downstairs. And this leads us up to our bedrooms. At the very top of this stairs, we've got this really welcoming open plan office, and it really sets the theme for upstairs. We've got 2 bedrooms upstairs, and both bedrooms have their own bathrooms. But what really stands out is the old features have been kept and designed into the new. Once you step into the kitchen, bang, here you have this big gorgeous island waiting to greet you. Our kitchen is designed from wall to wall. Behind these doors, check out all that storage space. But it's this fridge freezer has a lot of really good detail. Once you open the door, oh my God, big space. But the detail I'm talking about is the hinge. It hinges within itself, so you don't have to have this big fridge sticking out, and it's keeping all those lines nice and clean. But it's that overall look, the details, the materials, how the granite runs right into all those areas, the island meeting the hob, the connection, the units flow straight in to meet your TV area, the light fittings, and it's all these combined give it the perfect palette. Not just one, but this home has finished 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Well done to all the team. Sigma Homes, take a bow. To our homeowners, we get to meet you in the next few hours. And don't forget, with every handover video, Sigma Homes offers a 10-year warranty.